Right, good afternoon everyone. I did say yesterday or the day before that I was going to do some kits. Now I have a cream kit, a pink kit and a blue kit available. It's only one of each. I'll give you the price at the end of the video. And it will also, I'll tell you the shipping. Now in the pink kit, you've got, I'm going to make sure you can see, yeah. You've got that one. Actually, I'll just bring them out and lay them there. Then we've got the cotton eyelet in pink. A very fine one, pink and white. This one that you can thread bead in or ribbon through, pink and white. Beautiful cotton one, makes a beautiful flower. The cotton eyelet. And you're getting roughly a yard or more in each one. That one. These flat ones make fantastic flowers. If you were to make a flower like I would make one, which is plenty of gathering, they look more natural. They look actually more professional if you've got a little bit more, rather than have less fabrics in and they pucker and that. So if you've got a flat lace like this, I would cut between 18 and 20 inches. That gives you a really good full flower. If it's a gathered lace, then you only need roughly between 12 and 14. I wouldn't do any more than that. That's probably too much. This one is absolutely brilliant for making flowers. I love that. Then we've got this one, which is the pink and white. No, it isn't. It's pink. Sorry, very pale pink, like a shabby pink. We've got this one. I love this. This makes stunning flowers in pink. Then I put trims in as well, so I put this one in. There's plenty on it for you to play around with. Cut them individually, put them where you want them. This is a braid, beautiful multicoloured braid, but it had pink in it, so I've included it. The Chinese braid in pink. Then we've put this one in, which is pink as well. Very good, strong. I mean, we only sell the best laces, folks. So, you know. And all of these laces that you're going to see on all three kits are in the shop. Some of them I've noticed hasn't been sold for a long time. So, you know, go search laces, trims. Put lace, trims. If you put laces, you'll probably get different ones as well. It's not me, it's Wix program that I use. It's temperamental, and if you don't spell it right or you don't put it in right, you know, if you only put lace, it'll only show you the ones that says lace, but not the ones that show you laces. I know, crazy, but there you go. This is the chenille one. Love this one. This is a glitter one. Pink and white, so you're getting that one. That one, which is half. Showed you the one that was double. That's the half pink and white. Beautiful one that makes a gorgeous flower. That one. Then we've got this one. They're just stunning. This one. That way. This half one as well, in pink and white, gathered. The Nottingham lace in pink. I love this one. This makes one of the best flowers as well. And then I did put in some pink beaded trim for you, 4mm. So that's all those gorgeous laces, and there's loads in there, as you can see. And I'm going to do this one at £20. Now, there should be more because some of these laces are £1.50. And I'm only doing them at £1 if I do it that way, because you've a good 20-25 laces in there, something like that. But you know, I mean, this, we sell this, I think, at about 180, but I'm going to do £20 for the lot plus shipping. You're getting an awful lot for your money, so there's that one. Now we'll go through the cream one. I love this. Look at this. Just, this is vintage lace. There's quite a few bits, sorry, of vintage lace in here, but this is a wide, 4-inch wide vintage. So you've got that one. I've put in the cream pearl trim as well, 4mm. This is another vintage style lace. Again, they just make beautiful, beautiful flowers. I have given you this. It's not a full yard because this is expensive, and you know, we sell it at 20 inches. But that's a nice piece there for you to, you can cut these out individually. So that's a nice piece there. Some cotton eyelet. Again, this is the vintage one, this one. It's just beautiful. They make stunning flowers. Now that would make a rather large flower. So if I were you, what I do is I cut this bit off and just sew it across the top, and it makes a perfectly good flower. This is a vintage one as well. I love this. This is just stunning. Look at the embroidery on that. Beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? Oops. And that's in white, but it's cream and white, this one. More cream than white. Again, another vintage one. Eyelet one. I think it's that way. Always check the, because it's shinier on the right way and duller on the wrong way. Just always check that when you're doing your flowers. Then this one that you can thread, very similar to the pink and white one. Beautiful white gathered one. Very pretty. Make really small filler flowers, that does. Some braid, which got the multicolours in. The Chinese braid. That one. Again, this one's like the pink and white one. This is another vintage one. Oh, vintage style, this one. It's like that. Another eyelet one in cream, gathered. Beauty. This is vintage in that one. Again, they make beautiful small filler flowers, and this is definitely vintage. It's just gorgeous. They do make stunning flowers. And then you've got the Nottingham, the cream Nottingham, which I love. Makes beautiful flowers. This sequin one, colours on that. Oops, sorry. And then this one, which is the Goupier one. And they can all be cut individually. So that's that one. And all of that is £18 plus shipping. And the shipping prices apply the same as before. Okay? Yeah, the last one is the blue one. And you're getting a piece of this, which is gorgeous. Yeah. I've put this in because it's silvery blue. And again, it makes beautiful flowers, so I couldn't resist putting that bit in, that piece in. Oh, you've two. I'm not going to take it out. I've cut two. So there you go. You've two of that. The blue braid. Top quality braid, I have to say. I've put in the little tiny blue flowers, which you can snip off and do yourself somewhere. You know, put them wherever you want. This one. Again, another one to make a beautiful flower. This braid, which is the blue. This is a vintage one. Gorgeous, that. I love them. I love the vintage laces. You just can't get them anymore. That one, which is a crochet trim. This one in blue and white. So you can thread something through it. The blue and white chenille. Gorgeous. Love it. Cut them individually and put them around a project, like a frame or something. That one in blue and white. Again, this one, which is one of my favourite all-timers, makes a beautiful flower in like a royal blue. Super soft. Love it. Small braid. Great for edging pictures. Then that one. Good quality one, that one. That one. This one. Very similar to the Nottingham. And we didn't... Oh, yes, we did. I had a piece of Nottingham left as well, yeah. The blue Nottingham. Because we have that in cream, white, pink and blue. Vintage lace. This one's a vintage one. Oops, quite a big one there. Another chenille in the black and blue. Turquoisey blue it is. The another one of these, which is a different one to the other one. That's darker blue. This is a lighter blue. The flowers that obviously can be cut individually. And then lastly is the tassel trim, and this is a 1.5 inch tassel trim. Okay. Again, that's a £20 kit. And like I said before, you know, this one we sell for about £1.80. These are £1.50. But it works out with the amount that's in this kit. They're about £1 each. Apart from the smaller ones, which are, well, they are actually, they're £1.20 I think. But these are special offers. So there's three. The blue kit, the pink kit or the cream kit. Say on this video if you want them. And if you want to do the exchange rate, type in your search bar of the Google exchange rate and it'll tell you, put in your, whether it's dollars, Canadian dollars, US dollars or whatever, and it'll do the exchange for you. Just put £1 sterling and, and $1 and it'll tell you what's the difference. Okay, that's how to do it. But I keep getting people asking me how to do it, but you can do it. Go on to Google, type in exchange rate and then fill it out. Whether it's, you're exchanging it from dollars to pounds or pounds to dollars, it doesn't matter. And you'll come up with how much everything, the cost is for it, okay? What's the difference? And you'll come up with whatever it is you're looking for. Please drop by the shop. We have all of these laces and trims. If you've seen any that you like, go and grab them. I'm running out of some of them, so grab them while you can, all right? Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.